name's Alice Murray. I have a small business called Giggles and Games, the Giant Game People, and I went to university at Glyndŵr. I hire out Giant Games for various events, primarily weddings, but we do a lot of corporate work as well. So for weddings, I deliver the games and collect them after. For corporate, we go in, we have lots of fun, we break down barriers, get everyone laughing. We teach some things as well, communication skills, leadership skills, and then we go home, hopefully leaving everyone very happy. I was a stay-at-home mum for 17 years, started studying, loved it, absolutely loved it. And it was actually my assignments that made me start Giggles. We had an event that we had to run, and I was looking for something that was good for children and families as a whole. And then the following year, we had to set up a business. So I researched it, and then we had Dragon's Den, and I presented it. The dragon said to me, why wasn't I doing it? So I started. But we also have an enterprise champion here who you can go to, ask all the questions that you need to know. If she didn't know the answer, she would know someone that did. And I think apart from the actual knowledge that they give you, they build your confidence as well and your self-esteem. And with that really, really pushes you forward. So they've held my hand all the way through and continue to do so.